Alright guys, so here we are on another beautiful day on the west side of Oahu. It's about 7 o'clock. We're here with Fishing Machine 808, Captain Mike. He's going to take us to see what's holding out here on the west side today. So, thanks for coming aboard. Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are staying positive. Let's go. Yeah, you. Yeah. First day with the birds. See what happens. Yeah, you. JC Lures. Yeah, you. Black salmon. Alright, so the plan of action for today is to check out Romeo or Sierra. And we can see if it's holding any small akus. And then we're going to probably see if we can pick up some bottom fish. And of course we're going to see if we can pick up a marlin along the way, because there's a lot of marlins out here recently. So let's see if we can find some bird piles. Yeah, you. Alright, we're at the bird piles. We're gonna bust out the king busters and see what we can catch. Yeah, you. Oh. Oh, we got a peanut. Oh, two peanuts. Two peanuts. Oh. At least mine's bigger than yours. Yeah, little baby akus. Look at that. What's up? Yee. Bait. Yeah, you. Oh, got a hook up. Hey. Yeah, look at this thing. Freaking awesome. Look at that. Yeah, uku bait. King Buster.
We out of here.
We're out of here. Alright, so here we are. We are at the spot. We'll do some bottom fishing. So you guys remember the last video with all the akus? Well, here's the belly. So let's see what we can turn this aku belly into. Yep. People want to see your hook and your bait. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what's up. Let's get that one going. Yep, you gone. There it is. You got this guy. You got this guy. And then you drop it. That's it. Bring it up a little bit. Right there. And then we wait for the bite. We got a fish. Back up a little bit? No. Yeah, I gotta back up. I'll back up a little bit. No, because the line is, I'm kind of scared the line is closed. Bring it to the side. Bring it to the side. Is that good? Yeah. A little more? No, that's good. Coming out? Yep.
Yo, Kahala.
Probably. It feels like it. It's heavy. Mike said it's a kahala. It's gonna be a halibut. 45 feet. Hey, $5 on the first fish, Mike said. And he said $5 on the first fish. I told him he gonna lose because he was the one that called the bet. What is it? Oh! Oh, it's kahala. It is kahala. There you go. Alright. Yeah! Yeah, you. Kahala, hammerjack. Look at this, $5. Look at my $5 bill, Mike. My $5 bill, Mike. Yeah, you owe me a Dr. Pepper. Check it out. Anybody want an amberjack? Let me know. Is this one going back?
Right there.
Awesome. All right, let's send him back.
Wrong species.
Wrong guy. He said wrong guy. Whoa. Look at that. Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Come on, buddy. Go, buddy. Go, buddy. All right. Yeah, we got one.
It's not no kahala.
No. It's not $5 either. Because I already got the $5 for the first one.
That's how
Let's
it
go,
is.
let's go, let's go. Alright. Nice. Nice one.
Okay.
In the cooler. Welcome. Yeah.
Pull them forward.
Okay, here we are. Oh, the big silverfish. Ah, it's a kahala. It's a shark. What's that?
Watch out if it's a shark. It's a shark. This is the green eye shark. Bring them in, bring them in. This is the green eye shark, and this is where onagas are. When you catch this, there's onagas around.
Ah.
Oh, shucks. We're in an area. Like that came off. That came off.
Wow. Look at this thing. It's a green eye shark. You see it? Look at that. You. Yeah.
You go with this. Turn them out.
Watch the fucker bite me. Look at that. Green eye shark.
So we're in this area.
Yeah. Right there. Some Onaga grounds. For sure.
So.
Yeah. I'm gonna let this puppy go. Poor thing.
Watch out in case the blood by you.
Yeah. All right. He's gone.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's gone.
All right. You got something?
Wherever those are.
Yeah. What? Got a double.
What do you got?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Nothing. What? Ah! I thought it came off. Shucks. Because all of a sudden it just went real fast.
Get it back down. Get it back down.
Go ahead. Do what you gotta do. Oh, it's a big one.
Kahala.
Another kahala. The fish of the day.
As long as it's bigger than yours. then
Yeah,
that's my
yeah. Is it bigger than his? Okay, cool. Throw it back. All right, so that one came off, but we still got this one.
Something feet left.
Nearly there.
Gotta look on the surface for you. Maybe your fish came up.
Oh, hopefully. That'd be awesome. Yeah, so Mike just said that we gotta watch out because this one that came off, it could be like the ehu that we found in the ocean last time. So it might be able to pop up over here, just like John's one. Okay.
Bigger kahalo than yon.
Probably. Is it?
Oh! Opakapaka! Get the net, get the net, get the net, get the net! Get the net! Hurry, 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 hurry!
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy
Holy crap!
Holy
Whoa.
high five! Holy
Holy
crap! Wow!
Holy!
Wow! I better drop mine. Oh, I better drop mine. Watch out, watch out, watch out. That's what I had. Mother sucker came off.
Oh, check this out, right.
Wow!
Oh!
Yeah, you. My goodness, look at that. Ooh.
This is how to do it.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, you. Who's eating fish tonight? This guy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a happy fisherman
the one.
right there. Proud. Awesome. Yee. Happy for you. Happy for you, Mike.
Holy
Beautiful, bro.
Okay.
Wow! Wow! Shucks!
Oh, we go back up.
Ay-ya!
Go back up.
Oh man, that was mean. That was mean. Oh shucks. That was a big fish, man. And guess what? We're back at the spot. Drop your lid. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be some kind of close to a state record on that boy. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. He told me he never caught a onaga. And then I said, "Oh man, I hope you catch a giant onaga today." I think that was just as good, man. Freaking 15-20 pound Opakapaka. You better get your freaking somen ready. This is gonna be crazy. Yep, so here we are. Dropping it back down at our secret spot. You know what I'm saying? Mike's secret spot right here. So anyway, all right, let's get another one. Yee. I'm good. We're here. See what it is. Doesn't want to come up. Ah, yellow. It's really yellow. It's an eel. Is that an eel? It's an eel. Oh, it's a big eel.
No, hapupu. Hapupu. No. Oh, it's a big ass burns too.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, I need the pliers.
Where's that? Oh.
Yeah, I get him.
Watch your finger. Whoa, it's a gigantic Burns eel. From a 1,000 feet below. The abyss. Look at that.
Helps if I have good plan.
Yeah, don't even go. Yeah, you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, guys. Trying to send you home.
No, we're gonna keep them
Oh, he's gonna keep it.
for my fish tank.
Yep, for his fish tank. This is gonna be eel number 5. Whoa. I got another one. Get a double. The secret, you gotta tap the bottom. Tap the bottom.
Hey, Wayne. Is that what it is? Oh, that's a big one.
He got a fish on. He got one.
Gindui.
Jindui. He's got a jindui.
Wow, triggerfish.
What?
Humu.
No.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay.
All right. All right. So, as you can see by that gigantic Opakapaka, I think we're good. We got fish to cut, guys. So let's go. Yeah, you.
Okay, so we weighed the fish with this thing, and it said 20 pounds. So we're gonna take it to Time Supermarket and get an official weight to see what this thing weighs, because the state record is 18.5 pounds. So let's go. All right, guys. So here we are. We are at, can you see, Time Supermarket. And we are gonna see if we can get the fish weighed on a certified scale, and see if it, because we weighed it on my rusty scale. Sorry about the basket. So we weighed it on the rusty scale at my house, and it said 20 pounds. So here we are at Times, and we are going to, we have the exhibit A in here. Oh, whoa, it's heavy. Go across. Okay. So we have the fish in here. This is how big it is, okay? Okay, that's how big it is. So let's see if we can get this weighed to see if it's a state record. Okay, on my rusty scale it said 20 pounds. And I think Mike checked 18.5 pounds was the actual state record now. So if that's anywhere close to 20 pounds, I think it might be able to beat the record. So we're going over here. We just videotaped just to see if it is or if it isn't. So let's check it out. Yeah.
This is Opakapaka. Oh. Hammer. There it is. Time Supermarket. 14,625. Close. Look at that. That's the one. Right on.
Okay, so it's 14.6725, whatever it was. So 15 pounds. State record is 18.5, so 3.5 pounds shy. Not too bad, you know. That's a decent sized papillo worth. So whoever's holding the record, you still on. You know what I mean? But we're coming for you. I lost one. It had a double. I lost one. Okay, and I was claiming mine was bigger. So, anywho, all right. Let's get cooking. Look at my eyes. It's sunburned. You see? You see the red? Bro, put on your shades. I cannot stress that enough. My eyes got sunburned. How's that? That's crazy. And this is not the first time. I had it much worse before, so today wasn't so bad. I mean, it was blistering hot, but not too bad. So yeah, that's the almost, but no cigar. Shucks. I was rooting for you, Mike. I was rooting for you. But anyway, yeah. Let's go. Let's cook. Yeah, you.
Yeah, check out this bad boy. This thing is gigantic. Look at this. Look, I'm not even sticking my arms out. Like, this is how big it actually is. Right up against me. Look at my shoulders. This is a big fish, man. And we're not playing around. Oh boy. Alright, so when you scale a fish, you don't want to start back here. You want to start over here. Because all the scales are this way. When you pull from here, you're going to push all against here. So you want to remove this side first. See? So once you get that started, everything else is easy. So here we are, we got a little bit of flour, probably about half a cup to 1 cup of flour. And then we got this Island Wood Fire Grill marinade mix. But instead of marinating it, we're gonna throw it right into the flour. It smells pretty good. It smells, I hate to say it, but it smells almost like chicken saimin. So I'm gonna put that some of that flavoring in there. I put about half a packet to 1 cup of your marinade sauce. I'm gonna throw some garlic salt because garlic salt never hurt nobody. Okay. And so next, I'm gonna mix this together. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use beer, and of course we're gonna use Kona Brewing Company beer because it's local. So we're gonna put some of this in. Okay, that's why they call it beer batter. Okay, not too much. And then let me see. We're gonna mix this and get it to a nice consistency where it's not too clumpy, but yet it's not watery. When we get this to a consistency where it's not too bumpy and it's not too watery, you want it to hold a little bit. So right now it looks, see if you can tell, that's how much it'll stick to the fish. So I want to put just a tad more. Okay, so there you go. I think that's ready. This will do. Definitely. So we'll put that on the side. And we got our brand new cutting board. That we're gonna cut up the Opakapaka on. This is our fresh Opakapaka. And this is our new knife. Look at that. Beautiful. Really sharp. This thing is really sharp. So I'm stoked to get this. You know. So we're gonna trim off all the edges first. Okay. And due to the fact that we're making popcorn chicken, you don't have popcorn Opakapaka, you don't have to get too nuts with the fish because we're gonna fry it up, you know. So we're just cutting little chunks, and it doesn't have to be anything specific, but you want it to be kind of the same in thickness. So here we go. We got some of that here, and the smaller you make it, the more batter you can put. The more batter you put, the more flavor. So I'm gonna cut a bunch of these up. Okay, and then we're gonna throw it into the pan. You see, skin and everything. We don't waste anything over here. So I'm gonna do half of this fillet for now, and then I'm gonna save the other half for tomorrow. So I'll put that away. So tonight we're gonna have about 3-4 of us eating. So I want to make just enough. I don't want to over make, you know. So there you go. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Throw it all in here. And then we're gonna mix it up. That ready to go. Okay, so as you guys probably already know, we're gonna make some of that Opakapaka sashimi. All right, so here it is. Everything's is fried up. We got the kind Hawaiian barbecue sauce taken off the tag. This is gonna be, oh, that's a lot. Oh, it's gonna be our first time trying this. And we're gonna put lemon in here. There you go. We're gonna mix this up. Okay. This is our popcorn, beer battered Cajun popcorn Opakapaka right here. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Little green onions. A little bit of bell pepper for color. We got our sauce here. And we got a sauce here. There you go. Alright guys, so here we are. We got our Opakapaka sashimi with green onions and chili pepper. We also have our beer battered Cajun popcorn Opakapaka right here with red bell peppers and green onions. And over here we got the kind Hawaiian barbecue sauce with lemon inside right there. And then we got that spicy Thai chili Kikkoman sashimi sauce for that. So let's get it going. Let's try it out. Yeah, you. Buddy. This is the best part of the show. Yeah, you. So here it is. We got that spicy Opakapaka sashimi with that sushi sauce. And we got that beer battered Cajun spice popcorn Opakapaka right here. Looks really good. Check that out. Oh my goodness. So don't mind the paint. That's where I wear the gloves. I just did that gyukaku. So go check out that fish print video. I think that's part 3. But here we go. We're gonna try that Opakapaka right there. A little bit of soy sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Wow. Now, we're gonna try this popcorn, beer battered popcorn Opakapaka right here. That barbecue sauce. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Citrus barbecue sauce. Goodness. Oh. You know what this tastes like? It tastes like shrimp tempura. Yeah. Shrimp tempura right here. Wow. With a Cajun kick to it. This thing tastes like shrimp. Wow. Try it without the sauce. With bell pepper. And green onion. Wow. Wow. Deep fried Opakapaka, boys. Yeah, you. I'm gonna try that in the sashimi sauce. Let's try that. Sashimi sauce. Mmm. Wow. Chili pepper. Oh. Spicy. But good. Oh my God. Well, there it is, guys. Popcorn, beer batter, popcorn Opakapaka. Some sashimi. Some sash right there. All right, so here we are. We got that steamed Opakapaka with brown and white rice. So this is my first time trying steamed Opakapaka. Look at this thing. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Chinese style steamed Opakapaka. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. It's got a lot of vegetables. Nice white flaky meat. Wow. That's some really good stuff right here. My goodness. You know, that Chinese parsley and that red bell pepper makes everything. Wow. Amazing. Man. That's delicious. Well, you know what I noticed? That roasted sesame seed oil, and then every once in a while you hit that little, like, more, I wouldn't say salty, but more flavorous spots where you got that oyster sauce with all that fresh veggies. Look at that. Crazy. Glorious. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, coming aboard on this trip. It was an awesome trip. I'd like to thank Fishing Machine 808 Mike, Captain Mike, for this opportunity to do this catch and cook with the Opakapaka. I'm sorry it wasn't the state record. It was close. It was 4.625 pounds. It was like 3.5 pounds short of the state record or something like that. So I want to say, give a shout out to Bernard and his buddy on the jet skis, the blue and the red jet skis. They came up while I was bottom fishing and talking story and everything. And he told me that he's a viewer, so he can't wait for the next post. So here it is, Bernard. Yeah, you. Shout out to all the jet ski guys out there. So yeah, mahalos to all our viewers and all of our subscribers. So if you guys are not subscribe. And thank you to Bobby at Ross's. I want to thank everybody for supporting. That way we can get new gear and stuff to make more and better videos for you folks. So I like to say more, but you guys know the drill. You know, like and subscribe, support local, eat fresh fish when you can, and most of all, love one another. Blue Water Cowboy Mike, peace out, man. Yeah, you. Thanks for coming aboard. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh.